DCF gave me a call letting me know that they were going to be coming by my home because there was allegations of neglect. And at that moment, I called Attorney Seaver right away. Once I learned of all these allegations, it was hard for me to sleep. It was very hard for me to eat. I couldn't concentrate on work. I was completely nervous. DCF is a department that is unpredictable sometimes. So I was pretty nervous. Well, I was mainly upset because I've been in my child's life all their life, and for a department come with false allegations or any allegation at all, especially of neglect, threatening with removing my children from my, possession in my custody, it's completely scary. It's a nightmare, not only to me but as well to my children. My children been around me and their mother all their lives. They've never been separate from us. I noticed that Attorney Seaver specializes specifically in helping parents and people in my type of situations with DCF. So he specializes in pursuing DCF cases. I went on Google and I was able to revise all his history. I was able to revise some of his testimonies. And the second I noticed all those reviews, how good they were, I knew that I had the right attorney when it comes to pursuing DCF. Be able to have these cases closed and unsupported. Attorney Seaver gave me his personal cell phone, and in one case, one of the DCF workers called me on Christmas Day, which was a holiday, and I was able to direct them to Attorney Seaver. Attorney Seaver was able to handle that with no questions asked whatsoever, and that was on Christmas Day. From a 0 to 10, Attorney Seaver was definitely a 10. He is definitely a bulldog when it comes to this business. Attorney Seaver definitely over-delivered. When I say over-delivered, is getting documentation, lining everything up exactly how it's supposed to. So every step of the way, Attorney Seaver not only treated us with respect, but he also as well treated DCF respectful and courteous and guided us to be able to handle those situations, as frustrated as we were, for us to be able to be respectful to DCF and be courteous to them as well. Kevin Seaver would definitely go to the Super Bowl if we be in the NFL. He's definitely one of the big dogs when it comes to this business, and he knows very well the law when it comes to DCF and them dropping the ball or making false allegations against anyone. So Attorney Seaver, just like any lawyer, obviously they have a fee, they have a price. When it comes to our children, there's no price. But with the results, it was worth every penny. And if he charged me more than what he already charged me, I'd pay it. When Attorney Seaver came into business before, I felt horrible. DCF was definitely up my neck pertaining to this matter. They were making these false allegations. The second I got Attorney Seaver involved, I felt much more relief. Today, I even feel better, not only because he got me the results that I was expecting, but because I have his phone number. If they ever come again, I know exactly who I'm going to call.